The IKE plus header text tab allows you to easily edit the header of your NC file. For example, this NC file does not include the material or cycle time, and I'd like to remove the post name and change the date format. I go to the IKE plus header text tab. Here, I can add the material and cycle times using the checkboxes. I can remove the post name and change the date format. Additionally, I can change the order of the headings by dragging and dropping. Finally, I can add a custom field. I save my changes and then I can run the modified post. Here, the date and time have been moved, the material has been added, the custom revision field has been added, the cycle time has been added, and the post name has been removed.